It's a new 2019 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming mirrors, external memory control, active grille shutters, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection reports GM has carved out good space inside a tidy package and fitted the Terrain with very comfortable front bucket seats and a rear bench with enough support. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.